All right, in these four problems that we're going to work here, we're just going to be simplifying each one of the polynomials and combining like terms. So let's take a look at this expression. We have 2 plus 3x plus y minus 4x. Let's simplify this. Well, we've done this before, but we're just going over it once again. Let's take a look at our like terms. We have a 3x and a 4x, but this says minus 4x. So 3 minus 4 is negative 1, but we'll just write negative x there. Now we have a 2, but do we have any other constant terms? No. We have a y, and we don't have any other like terms. So we'll just say plus y, and we'll just go ahead and move this constant, as we'd normally do, out to the right. Okay. Pretty simple. Let's look at another one. We have 9x minus 5y plus 2z that 2 and that z looks the same, doesn't it? Pretty much. Plus 10y. And we'll throw in one more, 3x. 3x minus 3x. All right, let's take a look at all the like terms. So we have a 9x minus 3x. So those are two like terms. So look at their coefficients. 9 minus 3 is 6x. Okay. What about the 5y? We have a 10y, but we have a minus out here in front of the 5y. So that's going to be, you could say negative 5 plus 10 or 10 minus 5, which gives us 5y. And what else? We have a 2z, but we don't have any other like terms. So plus 2 let's see, how should I write that? The heck, I forgot to write a z. We'll write it like that so it doesn't look like a 2. Okay, so 6x plus 5y plus 2z. All right, let's take a look at another expression. Let's see, 4x squared plus 3x minus 2x squared minus y squared plus 1. Okay, so it looks like we're going to be able to simplify this polynomial expression. Let's look at all the like terms. So we have 4x squared and a 2x squared. So we look at their coefficients. 4 minus 2x squared. 4x squared minus 4 minus 2 is 2. So 2x squared. Okay, any other like terms? We have a 3x, but is there anything else that has an x to the first degree? And I don't see it. So we'll write plus 3x. And then what about the y? No other y squareds. And of course, there's no other constants. Okay, we'll look at another one here before we go. 1/4 x squared times y minus a half y times x squared plus x. Okay, can we simplify this expression? Be careful, this one's tricky. So as you can see here, we have an x squared and a y, and an x squared. Well, it turns out that both those terms are like terms. It just so happens that we have x squared times y, and then y times x squared. Well, those are both the same term, other than the coefficients out in front, which make them different, even though they're like terms. So what we're going to want to do here is just do 1/4 minus a half, and that's going to give us, that should give us a negative negative 1/4, right? Subtract a fourth from a half, you get a fourth, but it's negative. Okay, negative 1/4. We're going to go ahead and write the variable with the highest power first, and then plus x. Okay, plus x there. Okay, so that's pretty simple. In the next set of problems, we'll be performing indicated operations. In other words, we're going to be adding and subtracting polynomials, and I know that's what this section is called, so we'll be getting to that next. We just need to make sure we cover the basics first. All right, I'll see you at youtube.com/Michael Griffiths.